Hold on to your water balloons, because today we're diving into the ultimate backyard battlefield essential, the Bazooka Machine Bubble Blaster. Instantly recognize it by its vibrant, eye-popping colors and its imposing size that screams power. This isn't just any water gun, it's a conquest of aquatic proportions. Once you grip this beast, you'll feel the thrill of commanding an army of sprinklers. Equipped with an easy-to-pull trigger and a hose attachment, just plug it in and let the pressure-pumping action begin. No more running out of ammo during those crucial water fights. This blaster transforms your garden hose into a limitless reservoir of watery warfare. Imagine unleashing a torrent of splashy fury that soaks your friends. Even the neighbor's garden gnomes might get in on the action. It's perfect for turning an ordinary summer day into an epic splash saga. Just aim, squeeze, and claim water gun victory with this ultimate backyard blaster. Ready to soak up some fun? Check out the link in the description and bring the Bazooka Machine Blaster to your next water battle. Your backyard impatiently awaits a deluge of awesomeness.